Periscope cameras occupy the most space in smartphone camera modules and they take up to 300mm. Hi, I'm your favorite literati, and since you're watching this video, you might have come across the word Periscope, or you've already heard it somewhere, or read it in a phone spec list, or you know what it is and you just want to expand your knowledge about it. Well, in this video, I'll be explaining what a Periscope camera is, how it works, how it affects your smartphone and the picture quality. Without taking any more time, I'm your favorite literati, and let's get to it. Okay, first of all, what is a periscope? The Oxford Dictionary defines it as an apparatus attached to a set of mirrors or prisms by which an observer can see things that are otherwise out of sight. Basically, it lets you see things that aren't in your line of sight, but that's not the case here because you see everything you take a picture of before you take a picture of it, right? Okay, so let's break it down. Looking at a periscope, it's a hollow tube bent at a 90-degree angle at two ends, and in this tube, there are two prisms or mirrors, and occasionally there are lenses in between them. The whole mechanism of a periscope makes it possible for someone to see through a tube with cornered edges, and now this isn't the case for smartphones. Smartphones these days have zoom capabilities of 100 times optical zoom, but a while ago, let's say 2 times optical zoom was an accomplishment and was a selling point, and then before that, optical zoom wasn't really famous in the smartphone market. Basically, optical zoom is actual zooming, while digital zoom, which all used before telephoto lens made their way to smartphones, was irregular, and with that there were setbacks. In optical zoom, the lenses were actually adjusted to make the object in focus appear bigger, whereas in digital zoom, the image was just enlarged and then parts outside of the frame were cut off, and this led to great loss of detail. To create cameras with large optical zoom capabilities, smartphone makers needed space in the phones to fit the lenses, but that wasn't possible because no one wanted camera boxes bigger than their phones, and that's where the term periscope comes in. So you're probably enjoying this video, so smash that like button, and while you're at it, do well to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications as I make more videos in the future. And also, if you need help understanding the camera terms and gibberish and everything, just click on the link down in the description below. It's a link to a playlist I made about smartphone cameras, and without wasting any more time, let's get back to the video. Let me explain how a periscope camera works. So when light comes into the camera, when it goes through the opening, the light bounces off a prism at a 90-degree angle and goes through the lens, which can adjust to make the image look bigger or smaller, and the image is then captured on the sensor. The horizontal setup allows the lenses to move freely in the camera box to adjust and then give more optical zoom without having a huge camera bump on the back. How is the periscope camera useful, you might ask? Well, the periscope lens is basically a way to fit more lens elements and add more flexibility to the lenses without having to make a phone with an enormous camera bump, which would in turn improve the optical zoom capabilities of a smartphone camera and the overall picture quality. Let me know if you like the way I explain the periscope concept in the comments. If you loved the video, a sub would be massively appreciated. If you thought it was just decent, a thumbs up will do for now. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.